So hi, Jimbo. I've been really fortunate. My audience is growing. The subscribers are getting up there, and it's really fun because I didn't intend for this to grow like this, but it seems like we've kind of hit a good spot where people are conversing, and they're not afraid to ask some of the simple questions. And well, that's what this is all about. We want to keep this simple, easy, and fun. Buy an inexpensive guitar, the most important thing you can do when you're buying a guitar is if you take that bass string, that sixth string, and you start fretting. By the time you get to the 7th fret, you're going to be as high as you'll probably ever be in any of these sessions. So if you're not hearing a buzz, so let's say you go to I don't know, not maybe a flea market or a buy it again store or something, take that bass note and see if you don't hear any buzzing all the way up the neck. Okay? And they've got a price tag on that guitar for $80. Buy it. Because that's one of the biggest things you'll find in cheap guitars. Now, if you go in there and it starts buzzing and fretting out and you can't hear the note grow, so you'll hear it. And you can do the same. Because as much as this neck goes in and out this way, it also can warp this way. Once that neck is warped, it's no good anymore. If you're buying a new one, it should never do that. It should never do that. That would be just a wall hanging thing. It's not even a guitar because it won't play. But an old one, you can possibly get in and adjust the neck. There is a rod that goes up through here, and it continues pretty far up through here. And you can twist that just enough that it may lift that neck off there and give you the reaction you want. Now, if you get too high, it starts sounding really, really, really loud. But if you don't, you got that real nice melodic sound. And I can tell you that picking up a guitar is a fun thing to do. Don't be afraid of it. Don't be intimidated. There's so many things that you can learn from a guitar. And for now, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here. Remember, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments. And if you want to see when I upload my next video, click the bell too, because that'll let you know as I upload lessons.